In this brief tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the WC online scheduling system to attend an appointment with a tutor in the Academic Skills Center. Once you have made an appointment with the tutor in the Academic Skills Center, you will need to log back in to the WC online meeting room. Remember that tutors do not have access to telephone numbers and cannot use phones for communication. We suggest that you connect and test your microphone and speakers prior to proceeding to the tutoring area. Enter your name and your password and click the radio button for the schedule to which you would like to navigate, and then click Login. Once you log in, you will see the schedule. Your appointment will appear as a gold or lightly shaded space on the schedule. Please click on that box. Once you have selected the appointment, click Start or Join Online Consultation. This will bring you directly into the virtual tutoring room. In the virtual tutoring room, there will be a chat area and a whiteboard. Your tutor will have left further instructions for your appointment, including a link to join them in a meeting space where you can share your screens, such as Zoom. If you have not used the Zoom platform previously, please proceed to the Zoom tutorial video. If you need additional assistance on how to attend your tutoring appointment, please email us at asctutoring@mail.waldenu.edu.